Chile's value forecast 2024-2025. Chile's cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chile's exchanged at $22.78, so the cost expanded by 47% from the very start of the year. The Guards Chile's cost toward the finish of 2024 is $31, and the year-to-year change plus 256%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 143%. In 2024, we hope to see $24 per 1 Chiles. In the main portion of 2025, the Chile's cost will move to $34. In the final part, the cost would add $02 and close the year at $36, which is plus 182% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months. Monday, Feb. $26.13. Tuesday, Feb. $27.13. Wednesday, Feb. $28.13. Thursday, Feb. $29.13. Friday, blemish $1.13. Saturday, blemish $2.13. Sunday, blemish $3.13. Monday, blemish $4.13. Walk $15.14. April $15.17. May $15.20. June $15.23. July $15.25. August $15.26. Chile's expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chile's cost would move from $36 to $64, which is up 78%. Chile's will begin 2026 at $36, then, at that point, take off to $40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $39. That implies plus 205% from today. Chile's forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chile's cost would ascend from $0.64 to $1.01, which is plus 58%. Chile's will begin 2031 at $0.64, then, at that point, take off to $0.68 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $0.72. It is about plus 464% from today. Chile's value expectation 2024-2025. Chile's cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chile's exchanged at $9.85, so the cost expanded by 13% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Chile's cost toward the finish of 2024 is $20.77, and the year-to-year change plus 139%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 111%. In 2024, we hope to see $25.91 per 1 Chiles. In the main portion of 2025, the Chile's cost will move to $295. In the last part, the cost would add $116 and close the year at $24.11. Which is plus 145% to the ongoing cost. Chile's expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chile's cost would move from $411 to $40.44, which is up 68%. Chile's will begin 2026 at $2411, then, at that point, take off to $653 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2554. That implies plus 159% from today. Chile's expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chile's cost would ascend from $0.4044 to $0.6199, which is plus 53%. Chile's will begin 2031 at $4044, then take off to $42.87 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $45.28. It is about plus 360% from today. It's from 15204. Chile's value forecast 2024-2025. Chile's cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chile's exchanged at $0.854, so the cost diminished by 2% from the very outset of the year. The determined Chile's cost toward the finish of 2024 is $99, and the year-to-year change plus 26%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 29%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.936 per 1 Chiles. In the main portion of 2025, the Chile's cost will move to $2.54. In the last part, the cost would add $62 and close the year at $816, which is plus 42% to the ongoing cost. Chile's forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chile's cost would move from $22 at 16 to $20.80 and 76, which is up 54%. Chili's will begin 2026 at $1.2216, then at that point, take off to $1.1270 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.1945. That implies plus 34% from today. Chili's forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chili's cost would ascend from $1.1876 to $1.89, which is plus 11%. Chili's will begin 2031 at $1.1876, then dip to $1.1852 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.748. It is about plus 105% from today. So 1204. Chili's value expectation 2024-2025. Chili's cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chili's exchanged at $0.86, so the cost diminished by 1% from the very outset of the year. The determined Chili's cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.1035 and the year-to-year change plus 30%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 32%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.967 per 1 Chili's. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chili's cost will move to $1.92. In the final part, the cost would add $0.65 and close the year at $1.57, which is plus 46% to the ongoing cost. Chili's forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chili's cost would move from $1.1257 to $1.1940, which is up 54%. Chili's will begin 2026 at $1.2257, then take off to $1.1313 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.84. That implies plus 38% from today. Chili's forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chili's cost would ascend from $19.40 to $1.59, which is plus 11%. Chili's will begin 2031 at $19.40, then, at that point, dip to $19.15 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.1807. It is about plus 110% from today. 12,150,2023. Chili's value forecast 2023-2024. Chili's cost began in 2023 at $9.99. Today, Chili's exchanged at $8.54, so the cost diminished by 14% from the start of the year. The estimated Chili's cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,001 and the year-to-year change 0%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 17%. In the main portion of 2024, the Chili's cost will move to $1.106. In the final part, the cost would add $1.56 and close the year at $1.162, which is plus 36% to the ongoing cost.